1. Quick summary. Kotil Kovilkam, also written Kotil Kovilko, at Chendamangalam is a compact heritage cluster where, within about a 1 kilometer radius, stand a Jewish synagogue, now a museum, a Jewish cemetery, a Hindu temple, a Syrian Christian church and a mosque, a striking local example of Kerala's multi-religious history. The Chendamangalam synagogue dates to the medieval early modern period, first structure c. 1420, rebuilt majorly in 1614, and the cemetery is roughly contemporary with the synagogue, early 2nd millennium 15th-17th centuries. 2. The Jewish community and synagogue, context. Origins and community. The Jewish presence on the Malabar coast, the Malabari Jews, Cochin Jews, goes back many centuries. Historical memory and inscriptions link communities at Kodungalur, Palayur and Chendamangalam. The congregation at Chendamangalam is recorded from medieval times and maintained a synagogue that was important to the region's Jewish life. Dates architecture. The site is commonly dated as having a synagogue structure from c. 1420, destroyed by fire and rebuilt in 1614. Its architecture shows local Kerala and colonial influences, and the interior preserves an ornate Torah ark, Hechel, and other ritual objects now displayed as part of a museum under the Mujiris Heritage Project. 3. The Jewish Cemetery, what we know. Location. The cemetery lies in the valley behind the hill at Kotil Kovilkam, near the synagogue and mosque. It sits down the slope from the main hilltop cluster and is part of the same heritage zone. Age and graves. Because the synagogue community at Chendamangalam dates at least to the 15th-17th centuries, the cemetery's main graves are generally dated to that broad period, early modern. Some scholars point to even earlier Jewish presence in the region. Epitaphs found elsewhere date to the 13th century, so the cemetery belongs to a long continuum of Jewish settlement on the Malabar coast. Specific grave-by-grave chronologies exist for a few epitaphs and stones, but many headstones are worn and overgrown. Condition conservation. The cemetery itself has long suffered from vegetation overgrowth and partial neglect, while the synagogue was restored and repurposed as the Kerala Jewish Lifestyle Museum under the Mujiris project. The cemetery has not seen equivalent restoration and remains partially abandoned though identifiable. Photographs and local reports show old carved gravestones and fenced plots that are fragile. 4. Connected historical places at Kotil Kovilkam. Kotil Kovilkam is a small but dense historical precinct. The following sites are all within walking distance and historically connected. Kotil Kovilkam, the palace fort site. The Kovilkam was the palace of the Vilavatam chiefs, a local ruling family, and later associated with the Palyam family. The palace site, now archaeological remains around an old well, is a protected monument under Kerala archaeology. The ruling house historically granted land and protection to communities, including Jews, in the locality. Hindu temple. Krishna Kunathathli, a temple, sits on the hilltop within the same compound, historically part of the palace precinct. The proximity of temple, church, mosque and synagogue up the hill exemplifies the region's plural religious geography. Syrian Christian Church, an old Syrian church, Catholic Syrian Christian traditions, near the hill is historically important. Chendamangalam was an early center for Syrian Christian presence and printing in Kerala. Mosque. A mosque is established on another side of the hill valley. As sources often remark, the four religious sites, temple, church, mosque, synagogue, sit within about a kilometer, symbolizing centuries of coexistence. Vyapin Kota, seminary ruins. Close by are the remains of the Vyapik Kota seminary, built by the Portuguese for Syrians in the 16th century, showing the wider colonial and missionary interactions in the region. The seminary ruins are noted in local archaeological records. 5. Notable artifacts and inscriptions. Tombstone of Sarah Bat Israel, a very significant Jewish epitaph, originally recovered from Kodungalur and housed at Chendamangalam, bears the name Sarah Bat Israel and is dated to 1269 CE, one of the oldest Jewish epitaphs found in India. This tombstone is kept on display at the Synagogue Museum grounds and is an important link to the long history of Jews on the Malabar coast. Hechel, Torah Ark, and ritual objects. The synagogue's carved ark and other ritual paraphernalia, and stories of a royal gifted golden Sefer crown, are important cultural objects. Several of these items were moved or dispersed when the community emigrated in the 20th century, and some artifacts remain on display in museums or were taken to Israel. 6. Cultural historical significance. Multicultural heritage. The Kottil Kovilkam cluster is widely cited as a vivid example of Kerala's syncretic and plural past. Small communities, Jewish, Syrian Christian, Muslim, Hindu, lived close together and interacted economically and culturally. The synagogue cemetery pair testify to the once vibrant Jewish life in the area, and the palace and seminary attest to local polity and colonial encounters. 7. Visiting and conservation notes. The Chendamangalam Synagogue has been conserved and functions as the Kerala Jewish Lifestyle Museum Mujeres Heritage Site and is open to visitors. Check timings locally. The cemetery, by contrast, is less restored and may be overgrown. Visitors should treat stone graves with care and follow local signage or a guide. If you are researching the cemetery professionally, epigraphy, archaeology, contact the Kerala Department of Archaeology and the Mujeres Heritage Authorities for permissions and archival material. Some tombstones and artifacts have been moved to museums for protection.